Hey everyone, want to build a powerful gaming PC on a budget in 2025? Here's how to do it for under $600 with the AM5 platform. Start with the AMD Ryzen 5 8400F CPU. It's a 6-core, 12-thread powerhouse for gaming and multitasking. Pair it with the MSI Pro B 650MB motherboard, which supports DDR5 and PCIe 4.0. For memory, grab 16GB to 8GB Kingston Fury 5600 MHz DDR5 RAM. It's fast and affordable, perfect for gaming. Cooling is simple with a budget-friendly Deepcool Gamix GTE V2 cooler. It keeps your CPU cool without breaking the bank. Storage, a 512GB of Data Legend 710 SSD gives you fast load times for games and apps. The star of the show is a used XFX Radeon RX 6700 XT, available for around $200. It's a beast for 1080p and 1440p gaming, delivering smooth performance in modern titles. Total cost, around $600. But you get a future-proof AM5 platform and killer gaming performance. Check prices and availability as they may vary. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more budget build guides.